Okay, this is BS Company. These are quantum machine that heals different diseases without drugs. So you can see this mama is using it. She was having severe back aches. And after this, we're going to show you the video of how she's feeling after using the machine. So she's on it now. This is how it looks like. Takes care of joint pains, back aches, high blood pressure without drugs, and you can use it at the comfort of your home. Very easy to use. It's not hot. It's skin friendly. It beautifies. Just name the sickness. It takes care of it. Mama can even share her own experience. She has used it like 2 times before now, and also with our mini machine. But today it's just the quantum machine we're talking about, because that's what she's using today. So we're going to give you a feedback when she finished. This is 43 minutes. We set it at 60 minutes for her, and this is 43 minutes. So when she finishes, we'll get back to you. She'll give us a review and you'll see it again. Thank you so much for your time. Mom, I hope you're enjoying it. All right, thank you. Or when you want to sleep, you will sleep and you'll be calculating how many times you're going to stand up to ease yourself and also not to be able to sleep back. But how do you feel now since you use the quantum machine? How is your feeling now? How do you feel?
This quantum machine is a machine that the first day I came, I went to bed around that time 10 p.m. and I lie down without getting up till 6 a.m.
Wow, that's wonderful.
That is the more reason why my children are encouraging me to even still come them more. So I slept as if it is not me. They said I was even snoring. But I never know when they are sleeping and they are snoring, you will not know. Yes. They said I was snoring. This is my girl that came with me said I was snoring. My last girl, my last daughter, Pamela, said I was snoring.
Wow. And how long were you not able to sleep for a long time?
It has been a long time for not sleeping.
And just using this quantum machine for how many days?
That was the second day.
Wow. We are so happy to have you. Now you sleep like a baby.
I sleep like a baby.
Wow, we are so happy for you, Mama.
I sleep like a baby.
Mama, we are happy for you.
Thank you
so much. So what will you tell those people that are finding it difficult to sleep? That I knew you can sleep now and it was your challenge. What do you advise them?
I advise them to find where this BSC company is. Okay. Let them trace this company and come and use this
quantum machine,
and they will regain their lives.
Wow.
Praise the Lord.
Thank you so much, Ma. We are so happy. Your testimonies are awesome. And if we stay here, we'll not be able to finish everything. Thank you so much. We are happy for you.
God bless you.
All right, Ma.